welcome to Confetti Sprinkles. Today we are going to be making rainbow unicorn pancakes. Now here we go. The dry ingredients are a bunch of flour, some sugar, some baking powder, a sprinkle of salt, and lots of rainbow sprinkles. The wet ingredients are 1 egg, some milk, some cooking oil, and a splash of vanilla. The ingredient list is under the video. First, let's add the flour. Next, let's add the sugar. Then let's add the baking powder. And last, we'll add the salt. Salty, salty, salt. Now we're going to mix it up with our magic wand. Make sure to mix it good. First, we're going to add our egg. Then let's add the milk. Then we'll add the cooking oil. Now we're going to mix it up with our magic wand. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. Now let's mix it up. We've mixed it up until it's a little lumpy, and now we're going to add our special ingredients. First, we're going to add vanilla. Oops. And now our rainbow sprinkles. And now we're going to mix it up again. Now here's what it looks like after we've mixed it. Now let's cook it. Now that our pancakes have cooked, we've put them on a piece of parchment paper, and it's time to cut them. I got these cute little unicorn cookie cutters that we're going to use. So we're going to put them on a pancake and push down hard. And now we're going to push down, actually pull up and push down the cookie cutter so that, and if you're careful enough, then you have 2 pancakes. Then you're going to pop it out of the cookie cutter. And here are our pancakes. Here are our rainbow unicorn pancakes. If you had fun, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.